Even Plus has published press renders that shows the Galaxy S20Fe in 6 colors: blue, green, orange, red, purple and white. But be mindful that this phone will come with glass stick back like the Note 20. Well, we have already seen CAD renders and leaked renders photos in higher quality, and this phone looks really beautiful. According to rumor, the Fan Edition will be based on the Galaxy S20 Plus. It will feature 120Hz 6.5-inch OLED screen and a 4500 mAh battery, at least better than what Note 20 offers compared to the price. Though the bezels appears to be a little bit thicker than usual. Then there is a single punch hole camera, which is a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will borrow 12 megapixel wide angle and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera from the S20 Plus, but it will use a different 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. This phone is indeed a very good value considering it will be priced around $750. That's amazing. Now before moving on to another news, please subscribe this channel, like this video, I appreciate that. In 2021, Samsung will have similar lineup for the S models like the 2020 models. These devices go by the model number SMG991, 996, 998. The marketing names remain unconfirmed at this stage, but Samsung will most likely call them S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra respectively. But it can change to, let's say, S30 series. Whatever. Samsung is said to be thinking about removing the charger from the boxes starting with the Galaxy S21. That's sad. But the S21 or S30 may come with an audio port. Yes, you heard it right. Samsung ate its words when it removed ads that were making fun of Apple's iPhone for not having a headphone jack after the introduction of the Galaxy Note 10 Duo. Samsung's reasoning was that removing the headphone jack will free up space to increase battery capacity. Samsung is now apparently planning to bring back the feature. The leaker says the reintroduction of the headphone jack will be more of a marketing stunt to generate hype for the next S series flagship. Now the problem is, if the audio port makes a comeback, it can surely interfere with the demand of the Galaxy Buds, and many analysts believe that the new earbuds can help Samsung increase its market share from 6.9% to 10%. Because they undercut the AirPods Pro on price and also offer a longer battery life. As per as reports, the Galaxy S21 could also be a test bed for other strategies such as using different Exynos chips for different models and not including a charger in the box. And then there will be no under-display camera technology on the S21 too. The tech is still not ready for the prime time, requiring excessive spending. Will the Note 21 change the game at last? Not clear, but hugely possible, because the Note lineup isn't hugely different compared to the S lineup right now. So the introduction of this under-display camera technology could make people think differently about the next Note 21 Ultra, or whatever they will name it as. The Galaxy S21 will offer 128GB of base storage, 256GB of option, and maybe a 512GB option as well. The company is apparently thinking about using homegrown Exynos 1000 globally. This silicon will be made on the advanced 5nm process, supporting Cortex A78 cores, and may rely on AMD's RDNA GPU, which is better than Adreno GPU on Qualcomm. Therefore, it could improve profit margins and possibly lower the prices at the same time. And the Snapdragon 875 is overkill anyway. So yeah, that is it. So if you like this episode and quality presentation, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.